Number one, agreement and acceptance is about you agreeing that you have a lot of flaws in your life and it is okay for you to have flaws. Number two is about acknowledging that even though you have flaws and you have difficulties and you are different from one another, but you can seek help. It is alright for you to seek help. The third one, acting on it, is about you making your own action plan about how you want to grow and prosper in your life. And number fourth, we have accountability. By accountability, I mean you being responsible for your own failure and for your own success. And the last one we have is appreciation, about you appreciating yourself. Even though you have a lot of struggle, a lot of challenges that can really bring you down, but at the end of the day, you need to remember that those challenges have given you the opportunity to learn something from it. So we should always appreciate ourselves that we have those challenges, we have those problems, but we can always grow from it.